Planning a theme park day in Beijing? Or ready for a magical adventure just outside the city? Universal Studios Beijing offers world-class rides, immersive lands, and show-stopping performances. Whether you're a Harry Potter fan, thrill seeker, or just looking for fun with family and friends, here's your ultimate guide to making the most out of your visit. Before we begin, subscribe and turn on the bell for more travel tips. Universal Studios Beijing is generally open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., but hours may vary based on season or special events. Always check the Universal Studios Beijing USB app for real-time operating hours before your visit. Tickets and booking tips. You can purchase tickets via Trip.com or Meituan apps. Book at least 5 days in advance to enjoy cheaper rates. Ticket prices vary by day of the week, how far in advance you purchase, special events or peak seasons. Example ticket prices. Weekday adult, RMB 418. Weekend or same/next day purchase, RMB 528. Booking last minute will cost more. Plan early to save. Kids under 1 meter in height can enter for free with a paying adult. Children between 1 meter and 1.5 meters, or under the age of 12, can enjoy child tickets. Weekday price, RMB 328. Weekend and public holiday price, RMB 430. Seniors age 65 and above are also eligible for the same discounted price as children. Weekday price, RMB 328. Weekend and public holiday price, RMB 430. Foreign visitors must bring their passport. It's your entry ticket to Universal Studios Beijing. Before your visit, download the Universal Beijing Resort app. It's essential for checking real-time queue times for every ride, viewing live show schedules, placing food orders to skip long queues, exploring interactive park maps, getting alerts on ride closures or delays. This app makes your visit smoother, more efficient, and stress-free. Don't visit without it. How to get there. Take a DD straight to the entrance. Or take the subway. Line 7 or Batong Line to Universal Resort Station. Top attractions at Universal Studios Beijing. Transformers Metrobase. Start with the park's top thrill ride, Decepticoaster. Hop on this high-speed roller coaster and race through the jaws of the massive Decepticon driller. It's fast, intense, and packed with twists and turns that'll leave your heart pounding. If you're a thrill seeker, this one's a must-ride. Kung Fu Panda Land of awesomeness. Hop on Journey of the Dragon Warrior, a gentle dark boat ride through a whimsical Chinese-style fantasy world. Great for all ages. The stunning set designs and animated characters make it feel like you're inside the movie. The wizarding world of Harry Potter, stroll through Hogsmeade, sip butterbeer, shop for wands at Ollivanders. And don't miss Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, a dynamic ride through Hogwarts full of thrills, dragons, and dementors. Every corner is packed with magical photo spots that fans will absolutely love. Jurassic World Isla Nublar. Ride Jurassic World Adventure, a high-speed, thrilling indoor expedition through dinosaur encounters. Motion heavy, so beware if you get dizzy easily. The life-size dinos and intense action scenes feel like a real-life escape from Isla Nublar. Minion Land. Go bananas with Minion Mayhem 3D, join the Super Silly Funland carousel, and watch the lively Minion parade. Perfect for families and kids. It's colorful, chaotic, and full of laugh-out-loud moments for all ages. Hollywood Boulevard and WaterWorld. Begin and end your journey on Hollywood Boulevard with street shows, themed dining, and retail shops. Catch the WaterWorld Stunt Show for explosions, jet skis, and water splashes. Sit at the front if you want to get soaked, or stay back to keep dry. It's one of the most action-packed live shows you'll ever see in a theme park. Hogwarts Nightlight Show. At 8 p.m., Hogwarts Castle comes alive with lights, music, and projections from the Harry Potter universe. Arrive early to grab a good viewing spot. The magical finale is the perfect way to end your Universal Studios Beijing day. Food options. There's something for everyone. Butterbeer in Hogsmeade, Minion-themed snacks, Chinese meal sets in Hollywood, and themed zones. Expect to spend RMB 40 to RMB 120 per meal, depending on combo and location. Don't leave empty-handed. Themed stores are scattered throughout the park, especially at the entrance. Popular souvenirs, Minion plushies and headbands, Harry Potter wands, mugs, and robes, Jurassic World hats, Madagascar toys, magic wands and wizard creature figures. Universal Studios Beijing is more than a theme park. It's a journey through film, fantasy, and unforgettable fun. Download the app, book early, and get ready for an epic adventure. For more helpful guides and theme park walkthroughs, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day at Universal Beijing. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Save travels.